soybean farmers from around the country witnessed firsthand some of the many ways soybeans are used during the United Soybean Board's 2012 See for Yourself program. From the use of biodiesel at a major U.S. airport to the production of soy oil for the baking and frying industry. A grassroots program sponsored by the Audit and Evaluation Committee, See for Yourself, provides 10 soybean farmers the opportunity to see how their soybeans are used in the United States and abroad. The program also gives the farmer participants a chance to evaluate how their checkoff dollars are used to promote U.S. soy and improve the soybean industry. The 2012 program kicked off in St. Louis with presentations from USB farmer leaders and USB's executive director. Participants learned about the goals and mission of the checkoff before boarding a bus for a barge loading facility on the Mississippi River. Here, farmers learned about one of USB's strategic initiatives, assuring the soy industry and its customers have the freedom and infrastructure to operate. The group then traveled to the Donald Danforth Plant Science Center, where they learned about USB's production research investments and met with a checkoff-funded researcher to hear about the advancements made in the prevention and management of soybean diseases. At Lambert St. Louis International Airport, participants heard why they make B20 biodiesel a part of nearly all its diesel-powered engines year-round.
I enjoyed the Danforth Research Facility. That was awesome to see how much they do there, and that our checkoff dollars are going towards making plants that are going to be able to produce more and help the farmer, as well as in the end help the consumers.
I really thought it was neat to see somebody that's not a farmer that excited about biodiesel purely on a level of environmentalism.
The See for Yourself adventure then continued by crossing the border into one of U.S. Soy's largest customers, Mexico. Tour stops in Mexico gave farmer participants insight into the diverse companies that buy U.S. soy and the many ways it is used in the country. The soybean farmers visited 3 soybean processing facilities where soybeans were crushed for meal and oil. They toured a soy oil refinery and bottling plant that produces private label refined soy oil for supermarkets throughout Mexico. Stops at 2 dairy farms and an animal feed production facility helped participants learn more about their #1 customer and the training and assistance USB provides to livestock and animal feed companies in Mexico. Additional tours in Mexico provided a glimpse of how soy foods play a role in the diets of Mexico's citizens. They sampled a variety of delicious soy-fortified foods at a plant that produces everything from soy milk and yogurt to soy baby formula and cookies. The See for Yourself attendees also tasted soy-enriched tortillas made by the largest tortilla company in Mexico. The final stop on the journey took participants to Walmart, where they saw a large variety of soy products for sale.
I had no idea or wouldn't have fathomed that the soy oil, soy products, everything seemed to be soy textured, whether it be beef or there's just so many products, so much variety, basically so much market penetration. It was just amazing to me that Mexico, it seemed, has quite a grasp of soy usage.
My favorite tour through the whole program, I liked them all. My favorite one, though, I'd have to say was the dairy. It was just like nothing I've ever seen, and like I had told you before, Ian, my roots are in cattle business, but just to see their operation, it was just really, really inspiring, and as a farmer, period.
I enjoyed the biotech plant because the byproducts that they didn't use, they found the product to put it in and donate the food to the local food banks to help feed the need.
I didn't realize there was near as much international marketing that goes on, and it's been a real eye-opening experience to see how they've been working with other countries to get our products into their diets.
Once back in the United States, the 2012 crop of See for Yourself participants began sharing their checkoff knowledge with others. One farmer presented his experience and pictures to his county farm bureau and sang the checkoff's praises. Others posted comments and photos throughout and after the trip on their social media pages.
I know I'm not the only one that didn't know what the soy checkoff program does. So the better we can spread the message, the better off I think our industry will be.
I learned that the soy checkoff is involved in international marketing and just in promoting soybeans in a lot of different ways that I never really thought that they were involved with.
The biggest thing that came out to me was it's a bunch of farmers just like me who are very conservative and watch every penny just like I do on my farm, and they treat the checkoff the same way. They're very conscientious of how they spend our money.
If I could sit down with U.S. soybean leaders and talk to them about the See for Yourself program, I would ask that they continue to offer this type of opportunity and for more of their leaders to come along and experience this. One of the greatest components of this tour was to experience it with our USB directors.